Hello YouTube, my name is Farlan and welcome to another episode of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most iconic Jordans around, the Air Jordan 6 Black Infrared. This Air Jordan 6 Retro released last Saturday during the NBA All-Star Weekend. And if you watch our previous video on releases this month, you probably know that there's a lot of sneakers dropping in at that time. I knew that there's gonna be a lot of pairs available, but just to be sure, I woke up early last Saturday and went to a limited edition. Limited edition is a local sneaker store here in Singapore. They release a lot of hype shoes and other general releases. I arrived there around 9 a.m. and there's already a queue, but there's only like 8 to 10 people on the line. However, around 10 a.m. the line grew like to about 40 people. So waking up early and lining up paid off, and I was able to get the size that I want. So here it is. It comes in a typical block Jordan box with the red Jumpman logo on top. Before we open this, if you haven't watched our last video, we're giving away an Air Jordan 33 in utility black. So you better watch that one. Now let's proceed. So it opens like this. And there you go. What makes this shoe so iconic? Could it be because Michael Jordan was wearing them when the Chicago Bulls won their first NBA title and he was also the finals MVP? Could it be because of the design of Tinker Hatfield? Or maybe the materials they used? Whatever it may be, the Air Jordan 6 will always hold a special place in basketball and sneaker history. This shoe was inspired by Michael Jordan's Porsche 911 sports car. It was meant to look exotic, fierce, and fast. And they succeeded doing that. Also, there's a lot of design innovation that was put into this shoe, and we'll discuss them one by one later. Now let's look at the details. The upper of the shoe is made out of this black nubuck. It's perforated on both sides, and it has a 3M lining. So when the light hits the shoe, those holes will reflect the light. They started using 3M on the Jordan 5. Also, the number 23 is incorporated here in the upper. It's by these lace loops. The number 2 here and the number 3 here. Another design innovation is the clean toe box. It was never seen on a basketball sneaker back then, up until the release of this one. It's still stiff because it is reinforced inside. Now the whole tongue is made out of neoprene. There's a shroud here, also made of neoprene, and there's a Jumpman logo in infrared. Then the lace lock, also in infrared. Now the top of the tongue is reinforced with this soft plastic. You have the Air Jordan branding here, and then you have these 2 holes. It was designed as a pull tab, so you pull it like this. Also at the back here, you have what we call the spoiler. It's black, stiff plastic with a strip of infrared. Then you pull this and you pull this to put the shoe on. internal area is moderately padded. It also has a soft velvet material for lining, so you can slide your foot here easily. Also, for additional protection, you have 2 bumpers, one on each side, so it will protect the bone of your ankle joint. Also, just like the toe box here, the heel counter, very stiff, but it's incorporated inside the shoe, so there's no visible stitching here. And to finish the back area off, you have the Nike Air logo embroidered in black. Most of the details on the black infrared cannot be seen right now, but we'll provide more close-up so you can appreciate the details. The midsole is made out of this polyurethane foam in black and infrared here. Also, it features the exposed air unit. Now we go to the outsole. It's a combination of black and translucent rubber. Actually, this one, like the 3M material on the upper, was inherited from the Jordan 5. Now we also have a big Jumpman logo at the bottom, also in infrared. Well, that's it for the shoe. I think this is a very good retro. It's very close to the original, and I think all retro should be like that. Jordan brand got everything right, from the correct infrared color to the Nike Air branding at the back. And for $200 US, it's a little high, but if you're a big Jordan fan, it's a must-have. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to our channel while you're at it. If you don't, you can use the comment section down below, and your feedbacks are definitely welcome. Before we go, let me just remind you that we're giving away an Air Jordan 33 in utility black to one of our lucky subscribers. Please follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. All the mechanics of the giveaway will be posted there. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.